I'm Chris Robinson, and I know how to shop at NAPA Auto Parts. And today, I'm going to show you how to shop for batteries. Having a battery failure can be costly and ineffective, and it's probably going to happen at the worst inappropriate times, like on your first job interview or on your way to work. So how do you know what kind of battery to pick? Well, you can check your owner's manual. That's going to give you the information you want. Or you go to napacanada.com. You put your make, model, and year in, and it's going to tell you exactly the kind of battery you need. Don't feel comfortable doing that? Why don't you come down to your local NAPA Auto Parts and talk to your parts advisor? Isn't that right, Jeff? They'll gladly make sure they get the right battery for your vehicle. Two things you need to know about picking out a battery. One, we live in Canada, and it's cold. So what do you need to look for? Well, first, your cold cranking amps. It's on the top of the battery right here. The bigger, the better. Two, depth of charge. Why do you say that? Well, because if you only drive around for 5 to 10 minutes, that battery's never gonna fully charge on its way to work. So you need to make sure you have a really good big battery in your vehicle. You'll thank me on the night you don't plug your car in and that vehicle fires over first thing in the morning. Nowadays, we drive around in the world's largest computers. So why do you need an AGM battery? Well, you can mount the thing in your trunk. They're great for putting sideways, and they're fantastic for vibration. The great thing about these AGM batteries is the discharge and recharge on them can be done 100 times over before the battery goes dead. They're fantastic in European cars, and if you're into stereo systems like this guy is, you could pound that system all day long and never have to worry about this battery letting you down. It's the thing you need. When you buy your battery, make sure to keep your receipt. That's the warranty. You're gonna need that. Also, bring back the battery and the bill to NAPA Auto Parts. We're going to take care of the environmental disposal service of it for you and give you back your core charge. And if I haven't taught you anything about batteries, make sure you keep these in your trunk and know how to use them. Now you know how to shop for batteries at NAPA Auto Parts.